ultimate deep dive, the It Bags of 2025, what's trending and what you need to know. Welcome back to Girl Talk with Ju. If you're obsessed with luxury handbags, this is the video for you. Today we're taking a deep dive into the most sought-after It bags of 2025, the ones dominating the runways, selling out instantly, and making waves in street style. What makes a handbag an It bag? It's not just about brand recognition, it's about exclusivity, demand, and timeless appeal. This year, we've seen a mix of modern silhouettes, revived vintage styles, and experimental textures taking over the fashion scene. From the Chanel 25 bag to suede must-haves and doctor bags, I'll break down everything you need to know. Plus, I'll reveal which bags are worth investing in for long-term value. Before we get into it, make sure to follow GDJ Mag on Instagram for even more fashion deep dives, trend reports, and exclusive luxury insights. The evolution of the It bag, why these bags matter. Before we get into specific 2025 handbag trends, let's talk about the evolution of the It bag and why it's such a cultural phenomenon. In the 1990s, we had the Fendi baguette, made iconic by Sex and the City. The early 2000s brought us Louis Vuitton's multicolor collection and the Dior saddlebag. The 2010s saw a shift toward minimalist luxury, think Celine luggage totes and Chanel boy bags. Now in the 2020s, we're seeing a mix of nostalgia, modern luxury, and functional design. So what are the bags defining 2025? Let's get into it. 1. Chanel 25 bag. The new icon, arguably the most anticipated handbag of the year, the Chanel 25 bag is a modern, relaxed take on the classic Chanel aesthetic. Why is it trending? First unveiled during Paris Fashion Week 2024, the Chanel 20 quickly became a celebrity favorite. Dua Lipa is the face of the campaign, making it even more desirable. The bag blends Chanel's signature quilting with a hobo-style silhouette, making it more casual yet elegant. It's available in suede, lambskin, and tweed variations, catering to different tastes. Price, estimated between $6,500 and $8,000, depending on size and material. Who's wearing it? Spotted on Bella Hadid, Hailey Bieber, and Zendaya. This bag is already a collector's item. Investment potential? Yes, Chanel bags tend to appreciate in value, and with the Chanel 19 now a classic, the Chanel 25 is expected to follow suit. 2. The rise of East-West bags, a chic revival. A trend that's been gaining traction is the East-West bag, a longer, slimmer alternative to the traditional shoulder bag. Why is this silhouette taking off? It's sleek and elegant, perfect for both casual and formal occasions. Designers like Prada, Balenciaga, and Celine are bringing it back in minimalist designs. The bag has been described as the cooler aunt of the baguette bag by Vogue. Notable East-West bags in 2025. Prada's Clio East-West, a reinterpretation of the classic Clio but elongated. Balenciaga Hourglass East-West, a modern structured take on this silhouette. Celine Ava East-West, quiet luxury at its finest. Who's wearing it? Spotted on Rosie Huntington-Whiteley, Kylie Jenner, and Rihanna. Investment potential? Highly collectible but more trend-driven, so buy if you love it, not necessarily for long-term resale value. The vintage revival. Doctor bags have made an unexpected high-fashion comeback in 2025. Think structured, top-handle bags with a vintage appeal. Why are they trending? Luxury houses like Jill Sander, Miu Miu, and Hermès are reintroducing doctor-style bags with a modern twist. The structured frame makes them look sophisticated and timeless. They offer a practical yet elevated alternative to the usual tote bag. Best Doctor Bags of 2025. Miu Miu Vintage Doctor Bag, a reimagined classic with a glossy leather finish. Jill Sander Soft Frame Bag, minimalist and ultra chic. Hermès Kelly Doctor Bag, a limited edition take on the Kelly with vintage influences. Who's wearing it? This style is huge in Europe, think French and Italian influences as well as stars like Emma Watson and Cate Blanchett. Investment potential? The Hermès version, 100% an investment piece. Others, more trend-driven. 4. Suede bags, the unexpected trend of 2020-25. One of the most unexpected but welcome trends of the year is the return of suede handbags. Why suede? Soft, luxurious, and perfect for adding texture to an outfit. Available in earthy neutrals, rich jewel tones, and even bright statement colors. Brands like Bottega Veneta, Saint Laurent, and The Row are championing the trend. Top suede bags for 2025. Bottega Veneta suede sardine bag, a relaxed, slouchy masterpiece. Saint Laurent Icar suede tote, perfect for an effortless bohemian look. The Row Margot suede, the ultimate quiet luxury bag. Who's wearing it? Seen on Hailey Bieber, Rosie Huntington-Whiteley, and Sophia Richie-Grange. Investment potential? More trend-driven, but if you love texture, it's a great buy. 5. Bag charms. The personalized touch bag charms are making a comeback, with people personalizing their luxury bags more than ever. Why is this trend so big? Celebs like Dua Lipa and Kylie Jenner have been seen styling their bags with unique charms. Popular options include plush charms, beaded straps, and even tiny micro bags attached to larger ones. Brands like Louis Vuitton, Fendi, and Prada have launched exclusive charm collections. Final thoughts, what's worth investing in? So, which 2025 IT bags are truly worth investing in? Best investment bags. Chanel 25 bag, likely to appreciate over time. Hermès Doctor bag, a collector's piece. Trendy but timeless picks, East-West bags, chic but more style-driven. Suede bags, luxurious but sensitive to wear. Which of these bags are on your wish list? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow at GTWJMag on Instagram for more fashion updates.